Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error. To fix this error, you can install Get Help app. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Click on install option. Click on open Microsoft Store. And if not install, you will see install option. You can hit install over here and let the installation complete. And once this is complete, now you can check. You should not receive this error. If you face any trouble installing it from the Microsoft Store, you can copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy this command, type in CMD in Windows search box, make our active on command prompt app. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here, hit the enter key. And type in Y for yes and then hit the enter key. And here you can see starting package install. Now once installed, now you can check. You should not receive this error anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.